Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respectable teachers, honorable chief guests, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Nabiya Sharif. I am from IDN campus, Islamabad. The theme that I choose for my speech is no power on the earth that can undo Pakistan. At the time of Pakistan emergence on map, snipers around intend to eliminate Pakistan's existence with their second-rate ideology. The time Pakistan came into being, the unconditional love of the people who migrate from India and those who were already present in Pakistan. And by Allah's will, Pakistan confront both regional and the international pressure. And their top official of that time and top British leader also offered combined effort to eliminate Pakistan, but failed mercifully. Pakistan was founded by Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and it is Qaid's belief in Allah that Almighty Allah grant Pakistan with day Shab-e-Qadr, which is collectively indicate towards future stability of Pakistan. Pakistan got victorious and marked stability within amid international players whose only effort against Pakistan. The very important factor involved in the existence of Pakistan is the natives' collective support and the obligation to survive Pakistan. The top-rated agencies always tried but Pakistan but failed. We have defeated terrorist outfit while combat them and show the world that Pakistan can when time comes. Recently, our army successive in various regions of prove stability. No power on the earth that can undo Pakistan. Wassalam.